Hello guys, and welcome to this video. Today in this video I will show you step by step how to password protect your PDF file with a password, and this is easy step you can do. So guys, search on Google on I love PDF, and first open first link as you can see here, click on PDF as you can see here, and you can add your password and confirm, and make sure guys have saved this example. I'm going to upload this PDF and I will protect with this password. As you can see here, I enter your password and confirm your password and access for PDF file. So guys, this is easily how you can do, and thanks for watching guys this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content and idea. So this guys how way to protect your PDF with the simple password. See you soon.